Hello student, today we are going to start with a new topic, that is logarithm. In this topic, very first initially we will divide with exponent, okay, because from exponent only your log, how we are converting, that we are going to see. Here in this lesson, very first you see your exponent. For example, if your term is a to the power b is equals to x, a to the power b equals to x. So here in this term, this a is called as the base, b is called as the power, and x is called as your answer. Okay, if same this I am writing with the help of an example. For example, 2 cube is equals to 8. If 2 cube is equals to 8, same way here 2 will be what? Your 2 will be your base, 3 will be your power, and 8 will be your answer. Okay, now this exponent term, if I have to convert into logarithmic term, so how I will be converting it? If I have to convert this term into logarithmic term, okay, so it will be written as b. First I will just write it and show you. B log to the base of a of x. Okay, then I will tell you how we will read it also. Okay, we will read it as logarithmic of x to the base b. We read it as logarithmic or logarithm of x to the base b. Okay, so I hope you understand how we will read it. We will read it as logarithm of x to the base a. Sorry, logarithm to the base a. Okay, now here if you see how we have converted it, okay, this power for the logarithm, it will become your answer. Okay, this power will become the answer, and base in this is called as what? Base. Okay, this is your base. Okay, and the power is becoming your answer. Power, what is here? B. So b is what here? Now your answer, and this answer is becoming logarithmic of x. So same way, if this example you have to convert in the logarithmic form. So same way you see here, your power means this b will become what? 3. Okay, 3 log to the base is what? 2 log of 8 to the base 2. So here what we are doing, the power is becoming the answer. The power is in the logarithmic case, the power is becoming the answer, whereas base is remaining here also as the base only. Okay, and this 8 is what? Your answer. Your answer is coming along with here with the log. Okay, so I hope you all understood it. Okay, the same way now let's see with the exercise. Very first question, in the very first question it is given, convert each of the following to the logarithmic form. You have to convert question 1. Okay, exercise 7a. Okay, exercise 7a, convert each of the following to logarithmic form. Okay, so now first one is 5 square equals to 25. 5 square equals to 25. So if this you have to convert into log form, how you will go ahead with? If you your answer will be very easy. In one step you can do it. 5 square, you know, this square will become what? Your answer. This power will become what? Your answer. Means 2 will become your answer. Base log, base it what? 5. So 5 will here also in the base one, and this answer will come in front of the log. So log, you will read it as log of 25 to the base 5. Okay. Then same way you see the second problem. Second problem is what? 3 to the power minus 3 equals to 1 upon 27. Now how you will do this? Here in this problem, the same way you have to do it. Okay. Log. Now here, what is the power? Minus 3. So your minus 3 will be your answer. Base is what? 3. So you write down here base. Then this answer will come here, 1 upon 27. So log of 1 upon 27 to the base 3 equals to minus 3. Then one more problem. Then this is the conversion. Okay. And on the base of this exercise problem also I have discussed. Now 2 important result which you must know it. Okay. 2 important results. You learn it. Which are the 2 important results? The 2 important results are, very first one, log to the base a, log 1 to the base a is equals to 0. And why this is coming, that also I will show you. And the second one is log a to the base a, it equals to 1. Now here, why it is coming, I will just show you over here only. Here you know your indices formula, that a to the power 0 is equals to 1. If this I have to convert it into log form, what it will be? Log of 1 to the base a equals to 0. You see, we are getting coming over here. Okay. Same way here, if this is the condition, so what? A to the power 1, anything to the power 1 is what? Same number. So the same condition is applied here. Log of a to the base a, it equals to what? It equals to 1. So this 2 result you should know it. We will be usually using it in the second exercise, which is an important rules which you must know it. Okay. Then moving ahead, let's see question number 2 of exercise. In the question number 2 it is given, convert each of the following to exponential form. Now you have to convert to exponential form. Now you see here what it is given. I am doing third problem. Okay, in the third problem it is given log 1 upon 8 to the base 2 is equals to minus 3. Now if you have to convert it into exponential form, same thing, base is what? 2, this will go to the power minus 3 equals to 1 upon 8. Okay. Same way, fourth one. In the fourth problem it is given log of 0.01 to the base 10 equals to minus 2. How you will do this one? Same way. Okay. 10 to the power minus 2 equals to 0.01. This is base, so here base, this answer will come as the power. Okay, and here this will come as your answer. Okay. Now same way, remaining problem, our homework for you. Then the next question number 3, this was your question number 2. Okay, now you see question number 3. In the question number 3, by converting to exponential form, you have to find out the value of each. You have to convert this into exponential form. Okay, convert to exponential form. And find the value. Now let's do it. Here just you have to very first assume, let log of 64 to the base 2 equals to x. Okay, you have to assume this. This is your very first problem. After assuming it, okay, what you will do, since you have to find out this value of this, so you first convert it into exponential form. So your exponential form will be 2 to the power x equals to 64. Okay, now you find out the prime factors of 64. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are, means 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 to the power 64 means what? 2 to the power 6 means what you are getting? You are getting x equals to 6, which is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. Then moving ahead with the next problem, I am doing fifth one. Okay, so let's do fifth problem. In the fifth problem, what it is given, log x minus 1 to the base root 3 equals to 2. Okay, now let's do it. Here what you will do, same way, this is question number 4, fifth one. This is question number 4, fifth one. Okay, you have to find out the value of this x. Okay, here it is given already. Okay, now very first you convert it into exponential form. What will be your exponential form? Your base will become root 3. This answer will become the power equals to x minus 1. This root and square will get cancelled. So what you are having? 3 equals to x minus 1. Minus 1 shifted here. So this will be what? 3 minus 1 shifted here. So it will be what? 3 plus 1 equals to x. So x equals to what? X equals to 4 is your answer. Then moving ahead with the next problem. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4, I will be doing the 8th problem. Okay, in what is your question? Log of x square minus 9 to the base 2 equals to 4. Now here in this problem, this also you convert it into exponent form, since you have to find out the value of x. So your exponent form will be what? 2 to the power 4 equals to x square minus 9. Okay, now 2 to the power 4 means 2 is multiplied 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 2 to the power 4 means 16 equals to x square minus 9. 9 shifted here, so 16 plus 9 equals to x square, means 16 plus 9 means 25 equals to x square. So x equals to what? X equals to under root 25, means x equals to 5, which is your answer. Clear? Then let's move ahead. Now let's see the next problem. I think so I have done just one problem from question number 3. So let's see one more problem from question number 3. That is fourth one I will be doing. In the fourth problem it is given log to the base 0.5 of 16. As I told you, if in this problem you have to assume that this equals to x. Let log 16 to the base 0.5 equals to x. Now you convert it into exponential form. So when you convert into exponential form, it will become 0.5 to the power x equals to 16. Now 5 means I can write it as 5 upon 10 to the power x equals to 16. 16 means 4 square. Now here this can be written as 5 ones are 5 twos are, means half. Half means I can write it as 2. Since it is half, okay, first I will write it as so that it will be okay. Then 4 means what? Again 2 square. Now half of x equals to 2 to the power 4. Now if you see here, 2 and 2 are there, but here 2 is in the denominator. Okay, either you will have to convert it into half, or here you convert this into 2. So anything, if I am making it reciprocal, so this x will become what? This x will become minus x. So this will be what? 2 to the power minus x equals to 2 to the power 4. From this, what do we come to know? That minus x is equals to 4. Means x is equals to minus 4, which is your answer. Okay, one more problem I will do from question number 10. Question number 3, that is log of 7 to the 6th problem it is of question number 3. Okay, 6th problem of question number 3, and it is log of 7 to the base 7. Here also, this also you can assume that let log of 7 to the base 7 equals to x. Now here same way you do it. 7 to the power x equals to 7. Okay, now here you see this is x and this is, here power is what? 1. It means what? Your x is equals to 1. This is also one way, and another directly you can do it by using your rule. You know, log of a to the base a is equals to what? 1. Means this and this base and this both are a. If that is the condition, then you can take it as directly equals to 1. So same way here, log of 7 to the base 7 equals to 1. Directly also you can do it. Then moving ahead, one more fraction, this third one problem from the same question I will do. I am trying to do different kinds of problem so that you will be less confused. Log of 1 upon 9 here to the base 3. Here this also you can assume that this equals to x. So let write it down, log equals to x. So if you convert it into exponential form, what you will get? 3 to the power x equals to 1 upon 9. So further solving, you will get 3 to the power x equals to 1 upon 3 square. Now 3 to the power x equals to this square term, I am taking it out of the bracket. 3 to the power x, this I'll just make reciprocal, so it will become, power will become minus. So 3 to the power minus 2. Now you see base are same. So it means powers are equal. So x equals to what? X equals to minus 2. Now let's see few more problem from question number 4. Question number 4. I will be doing your 8th problem. In the 8th problem it is given log of x square minus 9 equals to 4. So let's solve it. So what you will get here, 2 to the power 4 equals to x square minus 9. So 2 to the power 4 means 16 equals to x square minus 9. I think so we did this problem, but once again I repeated it. 16 plus 9 equals to x square, means 25 equals to x square, means x equals to root 25. So x equals to what? 5, which is your answer. Then next, moving ahead, I will take now 6th problem. In the 6th problem it is given log to the base 5 of x square minus 19 equals to 3. So do it. Here what you will write it as 5 cube equals to x square minus 19. 5 cube means 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125 equals to x square minus 19. So 125 plus 19 equals to x square. 9 plus 5, 14 carrying 1. 144 equals to x square, and 144 is your which number square? So x equals to root 144 means x equals to 12. This is your answer. Now let's see this question number 5 and question number 6. In question number 5 it is given if log of x to the base 10 is equals to p and log of y to the base 10 is equals to q. You have to show that x into y is equals to 10 to the power p plus q. It's little tricky, but you will get this answer in 1 or 2 steps. Okay. Now here given, what is given to you? Log of 10, log of x to the base 10 is equals to p. If you write it in the exponential form, what you will get it? 10 to the power p equals to x. Same way, log of y to the base 10 is equals to q. If you write this in the exponential form, what you will get it? 10 to the power q equals to x. Sorry, it will be y. Okay. Now, what you will be doing it? You have to show that x into y. So take it x into y. This is your LHS, which equals to xy, which equals to, now x is what? X means 10 to the power p from 1. Okay, we are just substituting its value. So I'll just mention here from 1 and 2. Okay, so 10 to the power p into 10 to the power q equals to 10 to the power. Bases are same, powers are different, and in between multiplication sign. So what we'll do? We will just add it. So it will be 10 to the power p plus q, which equals to your right hand side. So hence shown. Okay, same way now you see this next problem, that is question number 6. In this question number 6 it is given that log of x to the base 10 is equals to a. Now again I will take my given part, okay, and from this given part I will convert into exponential form. So log of x to the base 10 is equals to a. From this it implies, if I convert it into exponential form, so what I will get it, 10 to the power a equals x. Then the second term I will take it. What is my second term? Log of y to the base 10 equals to b, which implies 10 to the power b equals to y. Then these two terms are only given. Okay, then what we have to write down? Write down 10 to the power a plus 1 in terms of x. Okay, we have to write down 10 to the power a plus 1 in terms of x. Now let's see, 10 to the power a plus 1 10 to the power a plus 1. It means what? 10 to the power a into 10 to the power 1. You know 10 to the power a means what? 10 to the power a means what? Your x. So this will be x into 10. So what it will be? 10x. So what do you have? 10 to the power a plus 1 equals to 10x. Then the second one, you have to write down 10 to the power 2b in terms of y. 10 to the power 2b means 10 to the power b complete to square, and 10 to the power b means what? Y. So y square. So we have expressed it in terms of y. Then the third one is, it is given log of b to the base 10 equals to 2a minus b. So if you convert it into exponential form, it will be 10 to the power 2a minus b equals to b. Now here this can be written as 10 to the power, or I will write it 10 to the power a, then this square, and minus b since it will come in the denominator. So 10 to the power b equals to b. Now 10 to the power a. 10 to the power a means what? X. So x square, and 10 to the power b means what? Y. So x square upon y. So p is equals to what? P is equals to x square upon y. So you have expressed the p in terms of x and y. Okay, so here this is your answer, then this is your answer. Okay, this is your first answer, this is your second answer, and this is your third answer.